Hi, today I'm going to be mixing too much stuff into slime and it's going to be clutter. So, I'm going to mix tons and tons of stuff into the slime I made. We'll see how it turns out. I bet it's going to be, it might be crunchy, it might be super sparkly. I don't know. It's going to be cool though. So, you can do this at home, but don't use anything like, I was thinking of putting like, I don't know, like crumbled food or something into it, and then it might like make it crunchy, but I don't think that would be good, so stir it in. Put my glitter in here and I'm just gonna stir it in. I still have some, so I might put some more in there. And I think you maybe could put like clay in there. Might make it like, I don't know. It'd probably make it like a clay butter slime. So, I don't know. My friend has that and she makes tons of it. I don't think it made a really big difference, but it's really glittery and crunchy. And I think that if you did use something like combo food, it would probably not work or just make the slime stickier, soggy. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like. Super duper crunchy. And I saw somebody and they used eyeshadow and it messed up their whole slime, so I don't think you want to do that because it just, I don't know, it like, she didn't notice that it had like something that you shouldn't put in the slime, and then it like ruined the slime. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, bye!